morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning guys! I'm gonna be vlogging today and I decided to do a day in my life. So right now it's 6:30 and I don't really wake up at 6 at all at any day. But since I slept at like 9 yesterday, I woke up at 6 and I'm unable to sleep again. So I decided to do a little workout and after that I'll just go take a bath. After which I have a little pamper session planned for myself, so I'm going to be doing that. And that is the whole plan. I'll see you in a bit because I'm going to go work out right now. Just filled my mason jar with some water and I'm gonna drink that along with watching all the videos that I left in my subscription box. There are quite a lot of them and I'm gonna watch all of those right now. Good morning. So I just got back from Ebony's walk. I just took her out for her morning business and now we're just gonna go and chill and play in the park. So that's Ebby along with me and that's what it is. Ebony, chalo bahar khelenge. Bahar khelenge. Pakari! Amy, Bacardi! Bacardi!
That's Eddie's friend. He's a Shih Tzu and his name's Bacardi. So like... They've been friends since both of them were like 3 months old, hence they're really friendly with each other, so...
Chalo, 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 chalo! Amy, हम चलेंगे, चलो! चलो, Amy! चलो! She's not ready to listen to me. चलो Amy, चलो घर चलते हैं. चलो. She's not listening to me at all. So she finally listened to me and I finally managed to get her back home. So Amy's back. I'm doing a pamper session right now. My best friend told me about this recipe and it just has 2 ingredients, the hair mask. So you just need glycerine and you need 5 tablespoons of milk. So this is what my best friend told me about. Her name's Priya and she wanted me to mention her name. So I'm going to be trying that right now. And so what you basically do is that you take 5 tablespoons of milk and then you add 1 tablespoon of glycerine into it. So there goes 1 tablespoon of glycerine and then just go ahead and mix the whole mixture together. And then just store it into a spray bottle. If you don't have a spray bottle, it's okay. You can store it into whatever you want to. You can also put this on your face or your hair. I'm going to be putting this on my hair. And then you have to wait for 1 hour and then wash it off. So it's been about half an hour since I have the hair mask in my hair and I'm just going to go ahead and wash it like I normally do. I'm going to wash and condition my hair and then I'll tell you how this hair mask worked out for me. So I just got out of the bath and let me tell you that in my opinion the hair mask worked wonders for me because I don't really have frizzy hair anymore. They're pretty tamed and it really works well with frizzy hair. So if you guys have frizzy hair and if you want a hair mask then this is the one that you would want to use. So this day my mom and my sister decided to take me out for a date to celebrate my 4,000 subscribers and we went to Hooper and Holly, which just recently opened in Ahmedabad, and we had 2 pizzas, a sandwich and lots of ice cream and we had a lot of fun there. So if you're in Ahmedabad and you haven't tried this, go ahead and try it right now. I personally love the coffee and the Belgian chocolate ice cream and it's amazing. The pizzas are also amazing. Also, I'm really new to vlogging and if you guys have any tips on how I should improvise, you can put that in the comments below and tell me if you guys want more daily vlogs and I should do them. So Hooper and Holly's is in Ahmedabad and you gotta try the pesto pizza there. It's amazing. And all the ice creams. I ate the Belgian chocolate ice cream and if you love chocolate, If you love chocolate, you should totally try it. So we just got done with the lunch. We went to Hooper and Holly. Yeah, we just got done with the lunch. We went to Hooper and Holly. My mama and my sister took me to celebrate my 4K subscribers. And now we're heading over to NID, which is...
Don't make an accent. Tell me whether you liked Hooper and Holly. Yeah, it was good. It was good. I have to drive now. Why did you take me to Hooper and Holly? Because you wanted to go. No, because I reached. Because you have reached 4,000 subscribers and you wanted to go and celebrate in Hooper and Holly. Are you happy about it? Are you proud of me?
So this is my outfit. I'm wearing black jeans with a loose white embroidered top, and I'm debating whether I should wear these beige pumps. I think I might. I'll be mentioning all the ingredients and the whole recipe in detail in the description box below, but start off by adding 4 teaspoons of sugar in 1.5 cups of lukewarm water. Then go ahead and add 2 teaspoons of granulated yeast. Along with that, add 1 tablespoon of oil and mix it all together. You'd want a liquid with a frothy consistency, and after that you're gonna add this to your dry ingredients. So you need 4 cups of flour or maida, and you're gonna add the liquid bit by bit, and you're gonna knead the dough. You have an option of buying your own pizza base, but I like making my own thin crust, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. So after this, you're just gonna go ahead and knead it until you get the proper pizza dough. And after you're done with that, just go ahead and grease your pan or parat. And after that, just separate the dough into 4 or 5 balls of the dough and cover it up with a wet muslin cloth. Now just keep your pizza dough to rest for a while, for say 45 minutes to 1 hour. So I'm just going to be showing you how I made the pizza, the sauce, the dough, and how I assembled the pizza. I'm not going to be explaining anything to you guys in detail because that will just extend the vlog, and I don't want to do that. So if you guys want to see the recipe and want to learn how I cooked, you can go ahead and see the description box below. I'll put the recipe down there. So now I'm just going to be showing you how I assemble the pizza and how I make it. If you want to see the detailed recipe, it will be down below, so make sure you check the description box. And I'm so sorry I did not really end the vlog properly. I'm just going to be ending it here. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys want more daily vlogs, do comment that below or just give this video a big thumbs up and I'll make more of them. I'm sorry this has a very abrupt ending. But by the way, I shot this vlog and I compiled 2 days. So I shot this when I had 4,000 subscribers. And by the time that you'll be watching this and by the time I upload this, I reached 5,000 subscribers. So thank you so much for all of that. And I have a lot of exciting things coming up. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you next time. Bye.